Hi, thank you for joining us. Today I'll be speaking to Jonathan Ratcliffe from SMAC about linear and rotary encoders. Hi, Jonathan. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Maisy. Thank you for having us on the show.
Of course. So let's get started. What encoders can SMAC supply?
SMAC does a range of linear and rotary optical encoders. We use them in all our products, all our linear and rotary actuators. So they're a robust product. We know because we provide thousands of them in a year. And we have a range depending on resolution or speed, response, or physical size of the product. So we start with the LL encoder. This is a very small encoder, and it comes in a 5 micron resolution, a 1 micron resolution, or a 0.05 micron resolution, and is a direct replacement or drop-in replacement for micro E encoders that are on the market. The next one is an LI encoder. Again, that's a linear, and it comes in a 1 micron, a 0.5 micron, and a 0.1 micron resolution, and is a replacement for Jenner Hydrohine, LIC, and René-Shaw atom encoders. And this one here is the SLE encoder. This one is for really high resolutions and comes in a 0.1 micron resolution or a 0.05 micron resolution. Another way of saying it is it does down to a scale of 100 nanometers or 50 nanometers in resolution. It's a direct replacement for a Jenner Hydrohine encoder and also a René-Shaw encoder. Okay. And then finally we do a rotary encoder, which is the SRE30, and that is a clip-on encoder, so it can be retrofitted to a lot of customers' motors. If you have a shaft between 4 and 6 millimeters, you can just clip on the back of a motor. It comes in 3 parts and just secures onto the back of a motor or any sort of rotary device you need to measure the angle on. It comes in either 1,000 pulses per revolution, which is our base starting point, and then we go to higher resolutions, 2,000 pulses per revolution, 4,000 pulses per revolution, 8,000 pulses per revolution, and then finally 16,000 pulses per revolution, which is really high accuracy.
Yeah. So what materials can the scale be made from?
Okay, so the linear encoders, they run up and down an incremental scale like this one. This one is glass, and we come in various thicknesses. This one is a 0.7 millimeter thickness, and they'll go up to a size of around 15 centimeters. The glass scale, which is 1.5 millimeters, that will go up to a size of or a length of 1 meter. And then if we want to go higher in length, up to 10 meters, we'll do in metal. If you want low cost, then we'll go to Malar. Glass, we tend to use on applications where temperature rise and gauging and accuracy is important, because glass is resistant to any temperature rise in terms of length. Metal and Malar are not. So if temperature rise is an issue to you, use glass. If you want length and durability, then use metal. And if you want low cost, then Malar is an option for you.
Okay. Well, you went through these different materials. Would you like to go through the advantages and disadvantages?
Just to sum up, really, glass for resolution, metal for durability and length, and Malar for cost.
Okay, perfect. So can you make a custom encoder at SMAC?
Yes, we have a research and design center in New Hampshire in the US. And for those customers who've got volume orders and having problems with a particular encoder that they may have from a competitor, we can design an exact tailor-made encoder to meet their needs.
Nice. And so what are your lead times?
For a standard encoder, we are talking 3 weeks delivery, and some of our competitors are much, much higher on delivery times than that.
Very nice. Well, thank you for joining me today, and thank you for watching. If you'd like to know more information, please feel free to contact us. The information is below. Thank you.